Hi everyone. We all know that the changes in our environment induced by human activities in nearly every sphere of life have had an influence on our health patterns. Today, let us learn what is environmental health. You all know what is health. It is a state of being free from illness and injury. Then what does it mean by environmental health? The term environmental health as defined by WHO, World Health Organization, includes those aspects of human health, including the quality of life, that are determined by physical, chemical, biological, social, and psychosocial factors in the environment. It also refers to the theory and practice of assessing, correcting, controlling, and preventing these factors in the environment that adversely affects the health of present and future generations. And how does our environment affect human health? It's true that climate and weather affect human health. Why is it so? The increase in temperature, the changes in precipitation, and rising sea levels occur, and they happen most common nowadays. This increase in frequency and strength of the extreme events like floods, storms, and droughts that usually threaten our safety and human health. It also results in affecting the air we breathe, the food we eat, the water we drink, the shelter we live, and the weather we feel. And what causes climate change? There are two types of causes. We can identify natural causes caused due to the forces in Earth, which include the huge intensity of sun, volcanic eruptions, and alterations in naturally occurring greenhouse gases, which is essential to keep our planet warm. It may be anthropogenic causes due to the increase of greenhouse gases, which ultimately form the major cause of climate change. These are in the form of fossil fuel emissions, chlorofluorocarbons, etc. Such gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxides increase in the atmosphere unprecedentedly. It will damage the well-being of life inhabiting Earth. And what is the impact of global climate change? As climate change disrupts and transforms global ecosystems in severe manner, it affects everything from the very existence of life. The changes would lead to community displacement and disharmony. It gradually leads to extinction of species. And what are the solutions? These adverse or detrimental effects of climate change can be mitigated by tackling its root causes. The first challenge is to forgo fossil fuels. The Paris Climate Change Conference in 2015 was aimed at shifting away from dirty fossil fuels towards cleaner, smarter energy options. We have to change our infrastructure upgrading and personal lifestyle to help reduce carbon impact. We have to consume less and always being green. Be environment efficient and eco-friendly to boost not only our health but also the health of the environment. Thank you. So that's all of today.